Welcome to GST Hero, making GST simple. In this video, we are going to show you the live demo of how you can automate GST return filing, e-invoicing and e-way bill generation and compliances with GST Hero RPA integration. GST Hero software is proprietary of Perennial Systems that integrates with top ERPs like SAP, Tally, Oracle, Microsoft and other ERPs to automate GST compliances for you. GST Hero is a government authorized GST Suvidha provider and ASP and works closely with the GSTN team to help improve the GST process. Perennial Systems is a 100 million group company that has been providing finance technology solutions for the past 14 years. Perennial has worked with Microsoft, ServiceNow, MuleSoft and fintech champions like 2C2P, Validus, Instarim and many more. Do you know you can generate e-way bills, e-invoices and file your GST returns from the SAP dashboard without having to waste your time in data preparation? Would you want to steer clear from complex integrations with government portals like GSTN, IRP, and NIC? Do you want to achieve 100% GST compliance and avoid the loss of working capitals and taxes? Would you rather prefer automation in data preparation and bulk operations for your GST filing than using manual work? Well, GST Hero, the 3-in-1 solution for GST compliance, is here to help your business. We would like to introduce you to GST Hero's robotic process automation in SAP. Once you integrate GST Hero with your SAP system, you will be all set to use our 3-in-1 solution platform. Now, let's have a look into the e-invoice generation process. To generate an e-invoice through SAP, you have to log into SAP with your client ID, username and password. After logging into SAP, the selection screen will appear. Here, you need to select the parameter along with the details like company code, plant code and billing details. Then click on the e-invoice button and the e-invoice data fetching will begin within SAP. Once the fetching is successfully done, the next screen will display all the various options like generate, cancel, print and view errors. To generate an e-invoice, you need to select a particular record and click on the generate button. In case of missing data, you will get an error message with the flawed fields highlighted. Just fill all the required data into the record and click on the generate button again. Here, the view errors option can help you to find out the errors and save your time and ensure errorless compliance with e-invoices. So after the required details are filled, click on the generate button. A message will be displayed on the screen indicating that the e-invoice has been generated successfully with a unique IRN, document number and QR code. You can then print the e-invoice in just one click. To get print of e-invoice, just click on the print button given on the dashboard. The e-invoice will be printed with all the document details and QR code. You can also cancel the e-invoice by clicking on the cancel button given in the dashboard. So, with GST Hero SAP integration, e-invoice generation is as simple as that. You did not have to visit the GST portal even once. Neither did you have to generate any JSON files. In the most cost-effective way and without having to make any severe changes to your SAP server. That is the promise of GST Hero. We do make your life simple by making GST simpler for you. Feel free to contact us in case of any queries regarding the integration.